Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be doing some garlic rice. Okay guys, so we're going to be making some garlic rice, and to do that we're going to need some garlic. So here I have about 9 cloves of garlic that we're going to use. I have some chive here, and I also have some parsley. We're going to cut those up to use in our dish. All right, so what we want to do is now cut up our garlic. So that's what I'm going to be working on here, chopping up our garlic. Remember, smash your garlic first, crush it, and then chop. All right, so we have our garlic, our minced garlic there, or chopped garlic. Now I'm just going to cut up the parsley, and we're going to also cut up the chive as well one time. Here I have 2 cups of washed jasmine rice. Make sure that when you're washing your rice that the water runs clear. Okay, all right, so the first step is we need to fry our garlic. Now to do that you have 2 choices. You can either use butter to fry your garlic, or you can use coconut oil. So this time around when I did it, I used coconut oil in order to fry my garlic. So in essence, what you're doing is flavoring your oil or your butter, as the case may be, with the garlic. Okay, so you're going to heat up your coconut oil or your butter, as the case may be, and then we're going to throw in our garlic in order to get it nice and golden. Now remember, we do not want to burn our garlic. We just want to get it nice and toasty and crunchy and golden brown. If we burn our garlic, it will become bitter. We would not be able to use it. So you want to keep your eye on this, guys. Keep on stirring it. Keep your eye on it, and remove when it gets nice and golden and nice and crunchy. So you can see it's developing color there. I did put a little pinch of salt in the garlic itself. All right, so the garlic looks nice and golden. Now we're going to remove it. We're going to put it to drain on a paper towel. So now we have infused coconut oil. So we're going to toast our rice in that infused oil. Now remember, of course, if you're using butter, it would have been infused now with that garlic flavor. So we're just going to toast the rice a little bit. We're not adding any water at this point in time. We're just going to try to toast our rice a little. What we're trying to do is infuse the rice grain with that flavored garlic oil. I added a little salt now to the rice. Continue stirring. And once you're happy with how long you have toasted your rice for, you can add now 3 cups of water to our 2 cups of rice. Just make sure and stir everything. We're going to bring it up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, as you can see there, we're going to cover it and then leave it to simmer. Turn it down, turn on our flame, and we're going to leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes.
Hi guys, this is Laura's sidekick. I want to invite you to please, if you haven't done that, subscribe to this channel. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you watch all the videos. Over and out.
After it is finished cooking for 10 minutes, we will then turn off our fire and leave it covered for a further 5 minutes. And at the end, we will just fluff our rice. And there you have it, folks. We have our jasmine garlic rice. All we need to do now is to garnish it with our chive and our parsley. And it's all ready for you to enjoy.